I am going to share with you my video that I put together, and it's one of my first that I'm kind of talking over. Going to fast forward, do some music. I lost a few of my shots in between, but this has to do with our How Do You Do art group, which is hosted by Sharyl at the Whole Bucket. And I will put links to everybody down below so you can go see all of their videos. And we are using Darcy Sanders' Mixed Media Blooms to do this project for January 2025. And so I started out using a 11 by 14 flat canvas and started tearing and piecing and gluing, and then I went on from there and did used some modeling paste and some stencils and some crackling inks. Did a lot of graffiti type on there, which is kind of inspired by Louisa Heinzel, and I will link her video down below as well, because what she did was absolutely awesome. Mine is nowhere near as creative as hers, but hey, we all got to start somewhere, right? So anyway, I'm just gonna play some music now and show what I've done and kind of fast forward it in places so you don't have to sit here and stare at it forever. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, here we are. It is finished, and hopefully you can see all of the graffitiing that I've done. And at the very end, I will show a snapshot. And again, thanks for watching.